Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the cross to right and the cross to left. And that's how you get this cool textured pattern on your projects. So the method for doing the cross to right and the cross to left is actually extremely easy once you kind of got the basic idea for it. So this is a current project that I'm working on, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into part of it. So first off, we are going to work on the cross to right. And we're going to skip one stitch, and through the front, we're going to grab that second loop, pivot our needle, and we're going to knit it. Then we're going to come into the stitch that we skipped just regularly, and we're going to knit that. And then we're going to drop those two loops off of our left needle. So then I'm just going to continue on with part of my project to get us to the cross to left. So the cross to left, we're going to come behind our work and we're going to knit that stitch. So we're going to come in from the back, grab it. We're skipping the first stitch, going into the second, yarning over. We're going to knit that stitch, and then we're going to knit the stitch we skipped like regular. And then we're going to drop those two stitches off. So again, let's take a look at the cross to right. So you're going to come in you're going to skip the first stitch, come through the front of that loop, pivot your needles around so you can end up doing a knit. If I can get my camera to focus, there it goes. So we're going to skip the first one, come into the front part of the second one, pivot our needle around so we can knit it properly. We're going to knit that stitch. Oop. There we go. And then we are going to knit the stitch we skipped regularly. And that crunching in the background you're hearing that I'm sure I'm not going to be able to edit out of this video is my cat scratching a cat scratcher, so please ignore that. So now let's see how we do a cross to left. So we're going to come through the back part of our stitch. Again, we're skipping the first stitch and we're coming to the back of the second stitch. If I can get it without splitting my yarn. And we are going to knit that stitch. Then we are going to knit the first stitch that we skipped regularly. And we are going to drop those two stitches off of our work. And that's it. That's how you do the cross to right and the cross to left. Hopefully this helps you with your knitting projects. And if you also want to see this pattern, I'll put a link down in the description below for that pattern. If you like this, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.